is out of I and I, commit love. See this daughter here?
Boy night, let them see your face.
Is love, bring her come in the earth. See? Her name is Tanzania, I love her more than myself.
Whoa. Yeah, man, this is Richie Spice representing for Jamaican Chat. You hear that? Yeah, it's Jamaican Chat we are talking about. Oh, nana, I see you pulling close from a distance. Jamaican Chat.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know my people, may I be gonna just like, share, subscribe on the video. We always thanks Father God for life. Alright, my people who don't say, may I go to the update as them drop. Alright, so we don't wonder what go on because we see police running pan Queen Ifrica a while ago and take away our daughter. You understand? Over some domestic problems, you understand, where shouldn't even be on the forefront, but over it made it to the forefront, my people. So what happened is Tony Rebel, the man himself, step in and save the day, my people. And I have the video here, Funo, with everything, you understand? And the video actually exciting, my people. Maybe gonna stay on and watch it and see what go on exactly. Queen Ifrica, I'll make reference to Tony Rebel, big long thing, you understand? I don't know what that means. I tell me what you think about that in the comment section, my people. Alright, pick up on yourself. Yes, Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
Innocent daughter, my pure daughter. I'm gonna born my daughter to God. Abba for God jail. Tony Rebel, your big boy when you avatar. Him for God, you see me? I ready then ready. Oh, yes, she gonna bring him down. This year she bring him down. You see me? I not bring down we do. We just want things to do right. That's all. IG, I'm back. And it's all good. So all I know, I'll make somebody hold the phone. Because Tony Rebel, I still see him as a general in my eyes. See, then there, man. We're ready to go. So, let me switch on the camera. So that we can officially say it, yeah, so. And the bridge is not going to say what we are saying to the eye then. Alright, see, switch on, you know, better. Yeah. Turn it pan with it. Yeah. Turn it pan. Lalibella first and make him say what him said to me a while ago, and then we can come in together now and tell the world, say this year a unity and peace in a family and community we are dealing with.
What may I say is out of I and I, commit love. See this daughter here?
Boy night, let them see your face.
Is love, bring her come in the earth. See? Her name is Tanzania, I love her more than myself. So yeah. And it's her Queen Ifrica daughter. So here what I say now. You say for this year, our peace we say. When I mean peace I it, you know. Our peace are that, you know. But peace and love. You see what I say?
In our
oneness,
family,
in our family,
community.
in our community, in our country.
The difference is what we have done around here so now. The difference is what we have as a people. We're supposed to can amicably work it out and everybody come and rebel salute, and we have a rebel salute at the show. We're responsible for people well-being in front of the year as well. For the whole year, and that me defend over the years, and those rebel tall body way having 9 pants.
Hey, you don't have to talk that.
You have to talk. Is the culture. It's the culture where we represent for and the country where all our love. So I want to see the first half in the anguish and the anger. I want to see the brethren and my daughter and Ryan Bailey, the creator of that. You see what I say? And we there at Matilda's police station and we have fixed it before we leave here. So moving forward, a family unity we are saying.
A family unity. Here what? You see, Rebel Salute, it built on 4 pillars. Culture, community, family, and education. And we have to understand, say, sometimes certain things start out of anger, but we have to know to say, he who angers you conquers you. And it is more dangerous where hatred and anger is stored than where it is poured. So we have to say peace. Me and Queen Ifrica good in it. We have to know that.
Kinda.
Good, we're good.
Alright, so I want either to know, say, yeah, love can in some of the situation, them man. You see me? And we are there, Rebel Salute, I represent for the show, because you don't know, a family we say in a real life. And Tanzia walk out on stage to said way. And whoever else walk out, someone wants to behind them.
So let me tell you something. Queen Ifrica is a real great artist. Although me and her, me's a fan. Me's a fan of Queen Ifrica from the first time I hear her. I love her voice and I love her. You know what I mean? Although we're not together, it don't mean say I love dead for her.
I wish you man buy your slippers. You're ugly.
I mean buy my slippers. But you know what now? You see she born out of Queen Ifrica. She born the day when I meet Queen Ifrica 2 years after. The day when I meet her. And I'm gonna tell you something. Nobody me not say we're talented more than her.
What about again the
Nobody talented more than her. She is one of the wickedest singer and DJ me know as young people.
Fight, and
Yeah,
man.
And time.
Family man.
Time.
One Jamaica, you know, one family, you know. A unity we are serving now, each planet, no time.
True.
You see me? No more blood and family killing, man.
No, we're not.
Make a reason around the table and sort out things the way how it's up, whether public or private. Them things that we can cut out now out of our country.
So
see me?
when we meet at the table, we won't be meet at the table. So you're not going to eat we at the table. We're going to meet at the table and work out all differences. Because everybody different, everybody have different opinion, everybody have different experience. So I saw it I forgot, but at the same time, we must can agree on certain issues. The family issues, we have to agree upon that. Education issue, we have to agree upon that. You know what I mean?
And you have to get more vocal as a man where have a baby mother for 23 years, you can still come in front of the world, come show you a lifeline and say, nah, fling your hand and no bus. You still have to go vocal in terms of where our man reach now and how we see issues I deal with and that's where the respect I come from. We don't do pretend and do things to people because we don't frighten the people. You hear that?
True.
Yeah, man.
So the world for know. And the world for know.
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's Europe and resolve, man.
Yeah, man. Resolve.
Yeah.
And that we deal with, you know, resolution. We deal with solution. Problem will come up, yes. My sibling them have problems. But
the baby mother them who know me I come from, who to stop it. Get the kids them together so that the man them can even breathe too. I don't know them can't control the body part of things. But at least control the children them. You understand what I say? I make love reign in the what you call blended family.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Love for reign, man. That was seven. Oneness. You know to know that people are oneness percent. There's no separation, no segregation.
A family man.
Oneness. Family. Community.
So see the item of rebel salute, you know, 19 and 20th, you know, nothing can make with this rebel salute, you hear that? I people showing a real life Jamaica last hope in a music, you hear that? That is it.
I like that, that's our next tagline. Yeah. Jamaica last hope in a music.
Queen of the tagline there, man. Boom! In our enemy head.
Yes, blessed.
Fully endorsed by me.
Yes!